My concern was all the milk that I had on the side of my truck. It was it was collecting a lot of dirt. That one really hit at the bottom. Whoa, it's lifting his head up.
It's like, hi.
I'm not sleeping very well tonight because it was like every time I fell asleep, there was another one went off and I woke up. Bud, did they eat all the plants? Plants are gone now, huh? Basically. So we got the kids at school. All went well because it's Friday and they know the weekend is basically here. Short days today.
The weekend is near.
She is about to go to work.
Where are my keys?
And I am tired. It was a long night. For once in a while, Shay slept through the whole night. Basically, he got up at, I think she said it was 5:30? Yeah, he was asleep. And they said it was a long night. And that is because we have a Space Force base right by us. Like, we live right by one. We're like, I don't know, 2 streets away from it, from the fence to the base. And I looked it up and I found it because I heard, well, okay, I'll explain the situation. I'm really tired, I'm all over the place. So all last night I heard explosions going off and I was like, well, I'm not sleeping very well tonight because it was like every time I fell asleep, there was another one went off and I woke up. And this morning I decided to look it up and they were doing training exercises. It's supposed to be yesterday and today. And it was supposed to be between, I think, like 9 a.m. and 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. But apparently, maybe they were starting late and they needed to do it anyways. So they did it throughout the whole night. Because it was from like, I think 10:30 to about 6 o'clock this morning. It's a pretty long night. But I care about the military and they do everything to protect us. So whatever they need to do, hey, if they gotta do it every night, I'm all for it. Whatever they need to do, they can do. And I'm not gonna complain about it. But I am tired. I can complain about me being tired, but I'm not gonna complain about the reason. So anyways, getting out of the truck yesterday, I'm like, man, my truck's really dirty. I haven't washed it in a long time. The kids washed it a couple times, but I haven't done a good detail on it in years at this point. I don't really mind, it's a truck, so I don't really care if it gets dirty. I do want to clean the inside. Anyways, I noticed yesterday that there's like something rough, like right where I opened the door, like at the paint, it's like rough. I'm like, it's like somebody threw something on my truck. But then I was thinking about it, I was like, it's like I poured something out, and I was like, I never do that. But then I was thinking about it more, and I did pour milk out like a week or so ago. They had a cup of milk from school. It was filled to the very top, and I did not want it to spill on my truck, so I said, all right, I'm just gonna pour some out the window just a little bit while I'm driving down the road, and it must have just went all over the side of my truck. So I'm gonna go out there and spray that off. And I'm also going to put some air in my tires because of this weather change. It's been hot and cold, that I've lost the pressure, so I need to put some more air in my tires. So I'm gonna go knock all that out. I'm all set. Truck is clean on the one spot, really like on the driver's door and the door behind it are clean. The rest of the truck is super dirty still. My concern was all the milk that I had on the side of my truck. It was it was collecting a lot of dirt, and it was harder to get off than I thought. I got some soap on the rag and I was scrubbing it, and it was really, I had to really put some arm into it to get it out. I was surprised how well that stuck on there. I don't know if that's a normal thing for milk. Either way, I'll never try to do that again. Try to avoid that. Glad it's done now, and it's time to get to work. Check this out. So, the other day I was talking about how I heard on the radio about tomatoes, and they discovered they're full of a lot of antioxidant properties, which we already know a lot of that, but I don't know if it's new or they're just bringing it up, but it's new to me. It's called lycopene, I believe it is. It's like a mood boosting property. So I was talking about it, and I was like, hey, maybe I need to eat more tomatoes. I don't like tomatoes, but maybe I need to eat more now, because there's all kinds of health benefits. And look at this. So yesterday my brother said, "Hey, I got a bunch of tomatoes. Do you want any?" And I said, "Sure." So check this out. I have a bunch now. There we go. So tons of tomatoes. Right now I was gonna put a pizza in the oven. I said, "I have one of these cheap margarita pizzas," and look what I did. I just cut one up and I put a bunch of tomatoes on. So extra tomatoes on the pizza, and it's just funny how the universe works like that. You talk about something and then it pops up. Because I talked about getting more tomatoes, but I probably honestly wouldn't have gotten more tomatoes anytime soon. Just because, for one, I haven't been doing the shopping really. Andrea's been doing it all lately, except for the other day we went to Aldi. That was fun. Anyways, I'm not at the store a lot, not doing the shopping, so I probably wouldn't have got them. And ended up here anyways. We got the kids.
I have a mustache.
We are gonna have a fun day. We're gonna go on an adventure today. We're gonna go to a couple different places. All right, we made it to the nature trail. You guys ready?
Yeah.
No?
Yeah. No. Every time when I do my thing, it's called Mr. Tari. And every time she says, "Are you guys ready?" I'm like, "No." And then I get in.
Yeah, it's called manners.
I do not like to do it. It says no dogs and no cats.
I know you're being honest, but sometimes
It
you just have to
says
follow the
no
rules.
dogs. I saw the sign says no dogs, no cats.
All right, I guess you guys gotta go back to the truck.
Ooh. We don't have cats and dogs.
It's you. You're the dog.
Ooh. I'm not the kitty cat.
All right. Shh. Let's see if we can see something today. Nope, not today. No turtles or bunnies.
Honestly, never does.
What or what's? This?
Yeah.
I don't know what that is.
What is that?
Looks like an otter. I don't think it's an otter though. Maybe a baby bobcat or something.
What
This?
Yeah.
Coyote.
Coyote? What the?
That is bobcat.
Bobcat.
Yeah, what's the other one?
The other.
Oh, these little guys. They look like raccoons.
The little guy. Look, it's so cute. Little tiny.
Turtle.
Yeah. And the turtle right there.
Yeah.
And then some snakes. This is a bear. That is that frog footprint.
That one?
Yeah.
It's a beaver.
Oh, beaver. Bear, beaver, moose. And what is this one?
That one? A deer. Shay, don't climb on it. It's gonna flip over, bud.
Daddy. That. What is that?
This?
Yeah.
A mink.
A mink?
Yep. You need a nap? You just woke up from a nap. You tired? Yeah, me too. I need a nap also, but. You guys see it? X marks the spot. That's where the treasure's at. Say it every time. Nope, we're not allowed to. We can just look. Just imagine what kind of treasure's in there. Oh, look at that little guy. Don't touch him. Is that an ant carrying something? It's fungus and algae together. Pretty cool, huh? All right, bud. What's up?
What is this called?
It's called marlberry.
Marlberry.
It's also known as dogberry.
What is it?
What is it? It's a live oak. It's this giant tree right here, dude. That's this. This big tree. You wish you could climb that tree, huh? Yeah. What's that called? Sable palm.
Sable palm.
Sable palm. Cabbage palm. Do you know that you can eat those? You can eat part of that tree if you get stuck in the woods. Hey guys, want to see something cool? Shay, look at this fuzzy tree right here.
Oh yeah, I saw that. They ripped it open.
Does it feel like a lion's mane or something? Have you ever touched a lion's mane before? right, we made it to stop number 2, and it is the park. Which park is it, bud?
The one with the spinny chair.
The one we go to all the time. But the kids love it here, so we were back. What'd you find?
A Barbie on the spinny.
That's what was on the chair? Looks kind of dirty. You have to make sure you wash your hands after you're done playing with that, okay?
Hey guys, do you want to play with me?
Does it have a name? You name it?
Hey guys, do you want to play with me?
Sure.
My name is
Cindy? All right. Go, 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 go. The wind's gonna blow you off. It's so windy out here.
Ready? I'm up here.
Yeah, go ahead, guys. Oh, she's doing pull-ups.
Come up here.
Yeah. Now where do we go? Oh, you gotta look through the thing. I see Malia down there. Can I look?
Yeah.
Hold still. Look at that. All right, we go down the slide next? Is that where we go?
Yep. You go that one, I go in this one.
All right, go ahead. All right. My turn?
Go that one.
All right, I'll see you at the bottom. That one really hit at the bottom. For some reason, I thought it curved too, and it went straight down. That did not feel good when it hit the bottom. Apparently, Malia wants something. What's up? How'd you get in there?
Hey, Bart. Hey, guys.
You gonna lay down in there?
I did this before.
Is it your bed? Barbie's or Cindy's going down the slide? Okay. All right, bud. Oh, there she goes. Did she get stuck? Oh, there he is. Look at your hair, dude. Your hair is sticking up. You got static. Whoa, it's lifting his head up.
It's like, hi. He's saying, hi, everybody. Don't touch it. He's like, hi. Can we touch it?
No,
Why?
you don't want to hurt him.
Why?
He's so small.
It's also poisonous, I think. Oh, yeah, it is poisonous anyways.
Careful.
Is it poisonous?
I don't think so, but let's leave him alone so we don't hurt him, okay?
Is it made of white? Is this his head? No.
I think his head's on this side.
It is.
Which side is it? I can't tell. I think it is this side. Okay.
Yeah, it is.
Seems like he's going this way the most.
It is.
That's cool, guys.
Mm.
What do you think? He's going towards you now.
He's going towards you. Finger! Watch out! Watch out! No, it's.
There he goes. He went on the tree.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Let me see. Let me see. Bye.
Now he's safe. Now he doesn't have to go all the way across the ground. Well, we got the caterpillar to safety, and we just looked up to see what kind it is. And you remember what it's called?
Underwing.
A copper underwing?
Yeah, copper.
Copper underwing, and they turn into
But
moths.
can we
Not a
can
butterfly,
we
it's a moth.
learn about caterpillars too?
Yeah, bud. So, I just looked it up, and the moths look pretty cool. I've seen them before, a couple of different places. They get pretty big. I think when we were at the museum not that long ago, the Treasure Museum, pretty sure I saw one of them there. I can get on a video. I can't remember. I'll have to check. All right, bye, Cindy. Have a fun afternoon in the playground. Bye-bye. What is that? Yellow.
Maybe they're sister and sister. I think they're sister, love. I don't
You
know.
think they're two sisters?
No.
They're cleaning themselves. You see it? They're just sitting on the power line, enjoying the breeze.
Okay, that is definitely Daddy, look at that. Mom and Dad.
Mom and Dad,
Yes. Daddy, look at that.
where's the babies? I'm gonna get you. We're on the way back home now. We ran a little late. We went to meet up with Andrea because the park that we were gonna go to over by the river, you have to pay for parking. So I said there's no point in taking both vehicles and meeting there and paying for 2 parking spots. So I said your grandfather's house is kind of in the middle of where we're at right now, so let's just meet there. And she's like, I need to go by there anyway. So it worked out. We got to go by and see him, and she got to help him with something. And then we had to change of plans because the insurance company called and we were trying to knock it out because at that time it was like 4 o'clock on Friday. So we're trying to get everything figured out as much as we could and try to knock it out, and it took a while for that. So we were hanging out there doing that, and by the time we were done, it was starting to get later, and Shay wanted to hang out longer, so we stayed a little longer, and now that we're leaving, it is late, so no point in driving, you know, all the way over there because we're not going to be able to stay very long with all this traffic and stuff. We were going to go to a park, but everybody's hungry and we're out of snacks. Kids burned through all the snacks I brought. We are going to head home and get some dinner now, but tomorrow's a new day.
Yo, 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 yo.
All right, let's go. Let's spin it.
Spin it. How do you do it?
Let me do it. Let me do it. You gotta spin it from the top. Like this. There you go, like that. There you go. All right, man. Good job.
Yes, your turn.
Good one. Oh, too fast. I don't know. It spins better without anything. I don't know.
Let me try. Whoa.
There you go. You're really good, man. High five. Good job, dude. We officially are set on a car insurance, which we had before. We're just switching providers because we're doing a bundle between home and auto and all that. I've never done that before, and I've tried, but usually I had Geico currently, and I'm switching off Geico. Not that I had any issues with them. I just got a better deal now, so that's why I'm switching. I had Geico for a long time. I was happy with them, and that was the best deal I could get, was suit them. But like I said, now that we're bundling, and I tried to bundle with them, but they did not have homeowners insurance that in our state, or at least in this area with me, didn't have anything available. So it was just auto insurance with them, and that's it. So anyways, with having to get the homeowners insurance, I reached out to a different company, and they actually provide auto insurance as well. It's like one of the things they specialize in. We got a better rate and more coverage since we're bundling, and we're set on auto, and Monday we should be set on homeowners insurance. They were trying to follow us details today, but did not get done, but should definitely get done Monday. And like I said, we have till Wednesday, so we'll get it done. We'll get there. So that was a nice surprise. I had more stops planned with the kids. I had a fun afternoon. I've been so tired today, but anyways, before I get to that, I wanted to go to this park by the river. I don't know if I mentioned it. I may have mentioned it, but it just didn't work out. We just ran out of time. Anyways, I was a little upset, but not really, because we got the insurance stuff done. That is what we've been working towards, and we finally got there, so it was a good trade-off. The kids were a little upset, but they were fine. They got over it. It's the weekend. The weekend just started, so always more time this weekend. We'll probably make it there eventually. But I was gonna mention that this morning I was dead tired. I didn't think I was gonna have the energy to even go pick up the kids. I was like, I would have made it happen, but I'm just saying, like, I thought I was just gonna be a zombie. I had that the pizza, and I loaded up with the tomatoes. So hey, maybe the tomato mood boosting thing is a real thing. I don't know, but I had that, and Andrea's been trying to get me to drink more. I feel like I drink a decent amount of water, but she wants me to drink some of these, so she drinks the liquid IVs, and she's trying to get me to try to drink more of those and see if that helps me, because I've been having headaches, but I think the headaches are mostly just allergies and just not sleeping enough. Anyways, I said, hey, it won't hurt, and I drank one of those with lunch. Obviously, as you saw, we were able to go around and get around and have fun. And another motivation was that we would all have fun out, obviously, but I figured if I just got the kids and came back home, we would just be, I'd be grumpy, and they'd be grumpy because they're at home, and it's better just to get out and about and push through it. So my advice for tonight is, if you want to get something done, just even if you're overthinking it, just go make an attempt. If it works out, it works out. If it doesn't, it doesn't. And put all the effort in that you can. Take care of yourself in the meantime, like eat, or make sure you get enough water, all that stuff. Get yourself prepared for the situation, so then that way, if it gets challenging, you can most likely get through it. Or if not, like I said, it's okay to move on to something else. Anyways, I am extremely tired. I'm gonna go try to get some sleep now. Hopefully there's no loud noises tonight.
Bye-bye!